As I was staring outside of my front porch this morning, I was only thinking of one thing. And that thing was a phenomenal idea. What if I let AI teach me how to cook? Because I can't cook for crap, and AI loves me. Listen, I could have just used a Google recipe. I could have done that, but no, I'm chaotic. I'm insane. And I am the next Gordon Ramsay. So I typed, "Hey AI, teach me how to cook something easy, tasty, and emotionally healing." And this is what it came up with. Creamy tahini noodle stir with crispy garlic and lemon. Seems simple enough, I just have to go make that grocery run. So let's get it. We have gotten our groceries from the Walmart. Now let's go through them. Getty.
Tahini! Garlic.
As I was heading home, I thought of something awesome. What if instead of Chat GPT, it was Chap GPT? Because my name's Yo Chap. Welcome to the kitchen. I've got the recipe right here, just so I can have something to look off of. Alright, for starters, we're boiling the noodles. These are 4 ounces of noodles. Panini. Two garlic cloves, thinly sliced. So let's go ahead and do that. Garlic cloves. What's a chef's knife? Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over low heat. Okay, oil tablespoon. Alright, that's boiling. So let's go ahead and put this in. Spaghetti. Eight minutes, is that what it says? It says, what does it say? 8 minutes, let's do that. Alright, next, you gotta make the sauce. Make the sauce. Small bowl, combine the tahini, the soy sauce. But no worries, because we do have soy sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Okay, it's good. I'm gonna do this away from my laptop, bro. I ain't gonna get this junk messy. Tahini. By the way, does anyone know what the freak tahini is? I ain't never heard of that before. Tahini. Tahiti. Arthur. Go ahead and put the garlic cloves on there. Alright, 2 tablespoons tahini. Okay. And then 1 juiced lemon. Alright, that means the noodles are done. So, what do we do? Noodles. Alright, now we're gonna put noodles in a bowl. Man, is it smoke girls in here. Alright, now we gotta whisk it until smooth and creamy. I don't have a whisk, so we're using a spoon. Alright, sauce should be good. Let's check out on our garlic. Garlic's still gotta be cooking a little bit more. And once it's done, we'll put the noodles in the pan where the garlic was at. Alright, we're gonna put the noodles in the pan where the garlic was. And then we're gonna put the sauce in. So let's get our bowls ready. It smells good. Here's the final product, guys. Does that look good? I don't know. It just looked like noodles to me. I'm gonna be honest with you. But did ChatGPT cook? Chat, did it cook? Let's find out. Alright, now we're here for the taste test. And I'm with my lovely girlfriend. And we're both gonna get salmonella. Alright, here we go, guys. Taste test.
I get the smell out.
It's interesting.
It's not bad.
It's zesty.
It kind of has like a vinegar taste.
Oh, the second bite was worse. Oh.
Really?
Yeah, guys, this is interesting. I would give it. I'd probably give it a 5 out of 10. I don't know if I'd get it again. How about you?
A 3.
3 out of 10. Oh. Well, folks, now we know. Let this be a lesson to never use AI. Ever. Okay, all in all, the noodles weren't terrible. They just weren't the best. There's definitely better that you can make on your own, and I think that if you want to cook, I would prefer just to come up with your own recipe. I'm sure if you asked for something specific for AI to do, it would be so much better. But I asked it to make me something random, so that's what I get. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to do something different, like dessert maybe next time, hey, just comment down below on what you want me to make. Until next time, peace.